We hear it every day, the sermon sings the waves moving through the air around us. The wind from sees the light, sun is louder than light. We see it in the world around us, like when you see lightning flash across the sky. And it takes a minute for thunder to reply. Or just a qualify as much to avionics. We call them supersonic. Oh, temperature, sea level, and molecular composition of solids, gas and liquids. These are the things that affect the speed of the average speed of sound is 761 mph in the sea. And on mountains, molecules will affect the speed of sound. Varying conditions will affect the speed of sound. Varying conditions will affect the speed of sound. When waves communicate and travel at a rate 4.3 times faster than in air. And when your summer cold, then sound it travels slow, and up in space it travels nowhere. Sound changes the pressure of medium, whether oxygen, hydrogen, even calcium. In these molecules iron to variate to travel to any place. Oh, temperature, sea level, and molecular composition of solids, gas and liquids. These are the things that affect the speed of sound. Varying conditions will affect the speed of sound. Varying conditions will affect the speed of the average speed of sound is 761 mph in the sea. And on mountains, molecules will affect the speed of sounds. Varying conditions will affect the speed of sound. Varying conditions will affect the speed of sounds. Varying conditions will affect the speed of sound. Varying conditions will affect the speed of sound.